teacher Mel, and I will be giving another ukulele tutorial. So for today, we will play the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars, and we will use only 3 chords, that is C, F, and G7. To play the C chord, you will just put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret like that. And for the F chord, place your 1st finger here and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret. That's F. And for G7, place your 1st finger here, 2nd finger here, and 3rd finger here, and you got G7. To play Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars, we will start with C, like this. Twinkle, twinkle, and then switch to F. Little, and C. Star, how, F, I, C. Wonder, G7. Watch you, and C. R. Once again, 1, 2, 3, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And for up above, the world so high, you will start with C, and then F, C, and then G7. It goes like this. Up, F, above the C, world so, and G7, high, C, like a F, diamond, C, in the, and G7, sky. Once again, 1, 2, 3, up above. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. And then we go back to the twinkle twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And then let's play again the whole song. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And if you want to add some strum, you could play it like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And if you want to do some plucking, I could teach you a basic plucking technique. So if you want to pluck Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you could do it like this. Let's start with C. And then usually when I pluck my strings, I usually use my 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger. Like this. My 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger. It goes like this. And usually I use the last 3 strings. So for this song, let's use the 1st finger here to strum this, 2nd finger here, and then the 3rd finger on the 3rd string to the bottom, like that. I think you get it. 1, 2, 3, like this. Twinkle, twinkle. It goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So this is how it goes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy our today's ukulele tutorial. So thank you everyone, and have a nice day. Bye bye.